Hello friends, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olushola David, and today I'm going to be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can create an online dropshipping store using the Spocket WooCommerce plugin. Okay, now one of the best parts of using the Spocket plugin is the fact that it allows you to dropship products with supplier based in the US and the EU, and it equally allows you to have a faster delivery of your product to your customer now compared to the AliExpress long shipping time. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get down to this. Now, for us to successfully do this, we are going to be needing a domain name and a web hosting account. So for us to do this, I recommend using Bluehost. Okay, so once you get to the home page on Bluehost, what you have to do is click on the Get Started button to continue. The next page is going to ask you to choose the plan. Okay, since it's a new website, you can go with the basic plan. Okay, we have the basic plan, which is 3.95, the plus 5 point. You don't need all of that. You can easily get started using the basic plan. Okay, so what you have to do is just click on the basic plan to get started. The next page is going to ask for your domain name. Now, using Bluehost, the domain name is free. You don't have to pay for the domain name. But if you have a domain name yourself, what you have to do is just enter it on the second box, which is here. So for us to do this, I'm just going to enter a random domain name to text it so we can proceed to the next step. Okay, so what you have to do is click on the next button and go to the next stage. Okay, at the next stage, it's going to require you to fill out the account information, which is about your first name, your last name, business name, country, address, phone number, email address, and the rest. Okay, so what you have to do here is just fill out all the required. Okay, and the next thing is scroll down, choose your account plan. Now, as you can see, I have 36 months for this price, and I have 24 months for this price. And now basically what this means is the higher the months, the lower the price, and the lower the price, the lower the months, the higher the price. Okay, just go ahead and choose one. Okay, so after that, you want to scroll down. This is very important. You don't have to leave this box checked. You have to uncheck them. This site log security, you don't need it. Check it. The code guard basic, you don't need it. Uncheck it. But then the domain privacy plus protection, you can leave that one checked. Okay, so now the total is $83. Okay, so what you have to do is just enter your credit card details, your code, the expiring date, and scroll down to click the I have read and agree to Bluehost terms of service and cancellation policy. Just tick that, and after you tick that, what you have to do is hit the submit button. I have an account already, so I'm not going to be hitting the submit button. So basically, once this is successful, Bluehost is going to send a welcome email to your email address, and from there you can create your password to log into your account. So from your Bluehost account, you can easily log into your WordPress admin area, and once you are inside your WordPress admin area, the next thing for us to do is to install the WooCoomerce plugin and install the Spocket plugin. Okay, so this is what we're going to be doing now. Okay, so once you are inside your WordPress admin dashboard, what you have to do is scroll down to the left hand side and go to plugin, then click on add new. Okay, once you click on add new, it's going to take you over to WordPress. It's going to take you over to the plugin area. So what you have to do here is search for WooCoomerce. Okay, so it's going to bring it out. This is WooCoomerce. I have WooCoomerce installed already, so I'm not going to be installing it. But in your case, what you have to do is click on the install button and activate it. So immediately you activate the WooCoomerce plugin, it's going to bring it's going to pop up the on-screen wizard setup. So just follow through and enter every details you have to enter. Okay, it's only going to take about a few seconds and you are done with it already. So after that, what we have to do again is install the Spocket plugin. Install the Spocket plugin. Okay, so simply search for the Spocket plugin and install it. Okay, so I have the plugin installed also. So in your case, click the install button and activate it. So once you activate it, what you have to do is go back to the left hand side of your admin, your WordPress admin area, and look for Spocket. As you can see, there's a Spocket, so I'm going to be clicking on it right now. Okay, so it's going to bring out the Spocket interface and show us the next thing to do. Okay, so from here I have to connect WooCommerce to Spocket. Okay, so click on the connect to Spocket and have your store connected. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be hitting the up button. Okay, so click it and give it a little time to load. Okay, as you can see, it says your store has been successfully connected to your Spocket account. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit the go to Spocket. Okay, so as you can see, I was redirected to my Spocket account. So if you don't have a Spocket account initially, I urge you to create an account before you set up everything. Okay, it's only going to take about a few seconds and your account is going to be up and running. I'm going to be adding the link to create your Spocket account at the description of the video, as well as the link to get your web hosting and your free domain name with Bluehost equally at the description of the video. So from your Spocket dashboard, as you can see, with Spocket you can find and sell thousands of fast shipping US European products to increase your sale. This is just a work around the platform. Fast shipping, 90% of our suppliers are located in the US and Europe. Make a healthy profit. Spocket offers you 30% to 60% discount of regular retail price, 100% automated order processing and the likes. Okay, so let's see the next. Okay, so this is just a run through of the interface area. Okay, so select by location. Okay, so let me just walk us through this. If you want to import product based on location, let's say you are in Canada and you want to ship product from US, all you have to do is click United States and choose the country you want to ship the product to. Let's say you want to ship the product to United Kingdom. Okay, just click on United Kingdom and you're going to see products, and all the product is going to bring out the products that are with supplier based in the US that you can ship to United Kingdom. Okay, so let's say you see a product you like and you want to push to your WooCommerce store. What you have to do is just click the product or click the add to import list. You can equally click the product to know more about the product. As you can see, the listing price is 26.67 cents and the retail price is 41.91 cents. Okay, so let's take a look at the shipping time. United States 4 to 7 business day, Canada 8 to 14 business day, Germany 4 to 7 business day, United Kingdom 4 to 7. Now this is a real deal. Now compared to AliExpress, this is going to the least or the fastest among this is going to be around 20 working days. Okay, but with Spocket we can have 4 to 7 business days, 8 to 14 business days and the likes. Okay, so what you have to do now is just click the add to import list. Alright, it says you have reached your product limit to push more than. Okay, so you can either choose the Pro plan, Empire plan, Starter plan, but the important fact is all of them have a 14 days free trial. The starter plan, which is $9 per month, have a 14-day free trial equally, so you can choose that to see how the platform works and get used to the platform yourself. Okay, so that's just that about Spocket. And after that, what you have to do now, let's say you've moved a product or you want to move your product, you can go to my products to see the product you've added to your import list. So it's from your import list that you can push the product directly to your store. Okay, I'm not going to be choosing a plan, I just want you to see the workshop how it's done. And equally, if you have an order, this is where you're going to manage your order. Click on my order. Every orders you have is going to be listed here, and from here you can equally fulfill them. Alright, so this is basically how it works, and this is how you can easily create a WooCommerce online dropshipping store using the Spocket plugin. I hope this is very helpful for you. If it's helpful, hit the like button and